Hi everyone, I'm Natasha and today we're taking a quick look at harvesting your mint. Now this is mint I'm growing hydroponically. I pulled out right quick to show you. Mint, the great news is there is no super secret way to harvest. You can take off individual leaves, you can take off whole stems. Really the key is to get the leaves while they're young. They do taste better that way. And the more you pick, the more it's going to grow. You can take individual leaves, like I said, or cut off stems, and it's probably going to keep on growing. Actually, you want to check on your mint frequently to take off any runners to make sure that it's not expanding somewhere you don't want it to be. And if it looks like your mint is trying to form flowers, go ahead and cut it back to very close to the base, leave some leaves. But it will probably give you a second and maybe even a third harvest in 1 year if you cut it back before it flowers. So enjoy your mint, harvest it lots, use it lots, make drinks with it, put it in your food, put it in salads, make fresh mint water, whatever you want. Harvest early, harvest often, and enjoy.